Today I'm going to show you how to do a single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet combo, and it makes a really pretty stitch that you can use to create a blanket. I'm going to use Mandala tweed stripes, which is a 4-weight yarn, and I'm going to use a 5mm crochet hook. Now, to do this stitch, you're going to have to start with a starting chain that is in a multiple of 3, which I did 12, and then you add 2 more chains to that. So I have 14 chains here. Now, to start, you're going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So right here. So you're going to continue by single crocheting in every stitch across. Okay, I've single crocheted into every stitch across. So now I have a total of 13 stitches because I crocheted into the second chain from the hook. So we started with 14, now we have 13. Now, to do the fun part of the next row, you need to chain 2 and then turn your work. We're going to start in the first stitch right here. You can see. You're going to single crochet, and in this same stitch you're going to half double crochet, again in the same stitch you're going to double crochet. Next, we're going to skip 2 stitches. So skip these 2 right here, and we're going to work into this stitch right here. So skipping 2, and we're going to single crochet, half double crochet, and then double crochet. So we're just repeating what we did here. We're going to repeat this across the whole way. So skip 2 into the next stitch, you single crochet, half double crochet, let me hold this a little easier to see, and then we're going to double crochet. Oops. Okay, skip the next 2, single crochet in the next stitch, half double crochet, and then double crochet. And you're going to repeat this across until you are left with 3 stitches. So again, we're going to skip these 2. In the last stitch, you're going to end your row with a single crochet. So skip these 2, and we're going to single crochet into this last stitch. You can see what we created. For the next row, you're going to chain 2. We're going to continue working like we just did, and I'll meet you on the other end to show you how to finish. Okay, so like I said before, we're going to skip these 2 stitches, and we're going to single crochet into this stitch right here. To finish our row. We're just going to repeat the same thing over and over again for whatever project you're creating. So chain 2, single crochet, half double crochet, and double. skip 2, and it becomes quite easy and it creates a beautiful texture. Let's put it on the right side. The right side is where we started the chain. So you can see how it is creating a nice combo with the single crochet, the half double crochet, and the double crochet. I will link up a pattern down below in the comments if you'd like to try a design with this stitch, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe.